Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I've been gone for a little bit, but that's because I had a baby, guys. On top of that, I had to go back to work. So I started working like November, and then I'm just trying to find the time between balancing work life and mom life. And now I'm just trying to figure out how do I do that, right? So that's why it's been so long. But for Lent, I don't know if you guys celebrate Lent, but for Lent, I gave up excuses, right? So, oh, I can't do this because I'm tired, or I can't do that because of whatever. So my whole big thing is to be back on YouTube, and I'm trying to make 2 videos a week. If I could do 3, I will. But if I can't, guys, just know I'm trying to do no excuses for Lent. And on top of that, I'm also going to the gym. So, like, it doesn't matter. Last night I went to the gym. I need to lose, like, I don't know, baby weight. I'm at my pre-pregnancy weight, but I still got to lose, like, another 10, 12 pounds. And then I'll be good, because we're going on vacation, and I can't look, like that. Anyway, so for today, I just did this very simple, like, drugstore makeup look. For the most part, it's drugstore. Some things are not drugstore because I can't find a good drugstore brand, what is this called? Eyeliner. I can't find one. If you guys know where one is, let me know down below, because I really can't find one, seriously. I tried them before, and they never look like this does. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Jet. I was actually looking for Inglot because that's been one of my favorites for a while. But anyway, rambling. So what I really use to get this whole look is this Maybelline Soda Pop palette. And this is like a spring, you could do a spring makeup look. And I just use the purples in here. I try to use almost all the colors. Actually, I think I used all the colors except 2. And I even highlighted from this. So this whole palette I just used, and I took this whole thing and used that. I used e.l.f. as well for my blush. My highlight, again, is this Soda Fizz. But I'll kind of go through the tutorial as you'll see as I go through. Nothing crazy. My foundation is actually from Makeup Revolution. Right here, this like cream stick or whatever. I have a Fenty one. I don't know where it is on this table right now. But anyway, this is the one I used today to get this like flawless looking finish. And my concealer, I use my Maybelline concealer. So everything that I purchased was pretty much like at the drugstore. Like, you could go get this stuff at the drugstore. You don't have to spend $6,755. This was $18 though. This was $18, so you might have to spend a little bit of money on that. Anyway, I don't want to ramble because I know how you guys feel about getting this tutorial. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If it's not the best, I'm sorry. I'll try again next time. But I just wanted to get a look up for you guys, like quick spring makeup drugstore look for brown skin girls. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, guys, to start off, I'm just priming my eyes with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color F12. Guys, I just wanted to say excuse my gum chewing in this video. You're going to see me chewing like a daggone cow, and I don't know why. I don't know why I was chewing like that, but I wanted to let you know ahead of time so you're not like, why are you chewing your gum like that? And now I'm going to use the Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and this is the only palette that I'm going to use the entire time to do my eyes. The first few colors that I'm going to use in this palette are actually the Crushing and the Cola Float, and this is just going to be like the transition color in my crease. Now for my outer V, I actually used the Root Beer color, and I put this again in my outer V. So here I'm just using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color F12, and I'm actually using the color in the palette Cherry on top, and patting that all over my lid. Now I'm going in with the color Grape Pop, and I'm putting that on top of the cherry on top over my lid. Now once that's all done, I'm just going to blend the Cola Float back into my crease again to make sure that there's like a seamless transition. And I already put on my lashes and liner off camera just because it takes me 6 months to do that. So I want to take a moment and apologize for how hard I'm chewing this gum in this scene. I don't know why. It was because I was hungry and I hadn't eaten yet, so that is why. So right now I'm just priming my face with the primer that my mom got for me. And after I prime my face, I actually am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again and pasting that under my eye and everywhere that I want to highlight, basically. And then I went back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I think this is in the color Toffee or Fawn. No, this one was Toffee. And I put this all over my face, again, everywhere that I wanted to highlight. I'm actually using Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, the concealer palette, and I think this is in dark, and I'm placing this everywhere that I wanted to contour, so top of my forehead, my cheekbones, and like my jawline. Once I blend everything all together, I actually take this Beauty Bakerie flour, and I have the yellow translucent powder, and I place that underneath my eyes and then my top of my forehead. Anywhere that I highlighted, I placed this Beauty Bakerie flour. And now I'm taking the Beauty Bakerie flour, and this is in the color Deep or Dark, and I'm putting this all over my face and blending everything in together. I did my brows and everything off camera, and now I'm just concealing underneath my brow. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I've been using this a lot lately for under my brows. I just really like the way it looks. It looks pretty natural, so that's why I'm using it. And this is in the color Toffee or Fawn, whichever one I highlight it with, I use underneath my eyebrow as well. Now for my lower lash line, I used the Blue Raspberry from the Soda Pop palette, and for my inner corner, I used Cherry Cola. I don't think I did that on camera, so that's what I did for that. For the blush that I'm using, I used, I believe this is Dior blush. I got this as a gift, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks. For my highlight now, I used two of the Soda Pop palettes highlights, the Tonic and the Soda Fizz, and I really liked how it came out. It came out like really, almost like shiny, but not really shiny. Just, I don't know, I thought it was really pretty. So close. Babe. Hey. I said, hey, babe.
like, where my baby mother at?
Recording a video right now. Oh, that feels much better. My lips are so freaking dry.